Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off mobile data switch and backup calling on Samsung Galaxy S25. First, I'm gonna explain these options. So if you have dual SIM on your phone and have the two SIMs inserted, or the eSIMs or whatever, then if one of the SIM cards doesn't have signal, then the other one will be used for calls if the first one cannot connect, and the same for mobile data. And it's great unless you have a limited plan on one of their SIMs and don't want to use it for the mobile data or for backup calling. So in case that's true, go to the settings and then go to connections, SIM manager. Now you can enable or disable the data switching and backup calling. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.